F-Series F500 Proofer Cabinet, Automatic Retarder-Proofer and Freezer-Proofer Program. If your F500 cabinet is a retarder or freezer-proofer model, it comes equipped with an automatic retarding and freezing proofing program. This automated feature provides a convenient and time-saving proofing solution for bakeries, helping streamline daily operations. The automatic program is preset to rapidly cool, store, and gently wake the dough before proofing it to perfection. It also includes a safety phase that lowers the temperature to halt the fermentation. It activates automatically after the final proofing stage if the program is not manually ended. With the automatic program, all you need to do is load the cabinet with your products and set the time you want the proofing cycle to be completed. The cabinet will then automatically calculate the necessary storage phase to ensure the dough is perfectly proofed at the desired time. This is ideal when loading the cabinet at the end of the workday and setting it to be ready for the next morning. Your dough will be fully proofed and ready to bake. The F500 retarder-proofer can store dough for 1 to 2 days, while the freezer-proofer can store dough for up to 1 week before the proofing phase begins. The cabinet comes pre-programmed with default settings for proofing time, temperature, and humidity that suit most dough types. But these settings can be adjusted as needed to accommodate different products.